Hello everybody, what's going on? A new product here from a company called Martalk. They have sent me this. This is a product on Amazon. Very nice product. I didn't get it hooked up yet to my car because it comes with a 5K camera for the front and a 4K camera for the rear of your car. It comes with wires. So I'm going to get it hooked up by a buddy of mine next week. But let's do a little unboxing video and check it out. The quality is supposed to be pristine. Comes with a 12-inch camera for the front. Streaming media, rear view mirror, and DVR. Let's put that over there. Let's see, guys. Let's turn this camera slightly real quick. You gotta bear with me here. Let's see. I want to make sure it's getting the table. Yep. Okay. Just want to show you guys. Let's open this up together. I never opened it up. First time. Nice box so far. Let's get this sucker open. Let's take that sleeve off. Oh, wow. It's almost like an Apple iPhone. I like when they do that with the flap. Look at the nice flap. Look at that. Really nice packaging. Wow. Look at that mirror, guys. That clips over your other mirror, and it's a dash cam. Very safe to have. And most insurance companies will give you a discount if you have something like this. If you have a dash cam, most insurance companies give you, I think it's like between 5 and 8% discount or 10%. I've seen 10% before. But I don't want to go crazy with the wires because my buddy's going to hook it up to me next week. But look at that. Really, really sharp. Wow. This is a 5K dash cam, guys. Here's the camera here. 5K. And it has a rear view camera. Let's see. I don't want to damage this. Let me put it over here for a minute. Very nice packaging by Martalk. Martalk dash cam. Yeah, here's all the wires. See what I'm saying, guys? That's why I'm going to do a video next week. It comes with a lot of wires, and I haven't done it yet. I got to get this installed. My buddy does electronics for a living, so he's going to install it for me. Yeah, this is a camera here. I believe this is a GPS tracker. Yeah, this comes with a GPS tracker, so you can keep track of your car. And it also has, when you get in a collision, God forbid. Here's a cigarette adapter. Yeah, here it is, 11.8 inch 5K mirror dash cam. 5K, and I believe the rear camera is a 4K. Yeah, there's all the instructions. I will be installing this. I just want to thank Martalk, M-A-R-T-A-L-K, Martalk, for sending me this. This is a product on Amazon, and right now there's a $30 coupon off. It's not bad. I believe it's $160, and with the 30% coupon, it's a good deal. $130 you get it for? Here's straps. Yeah, it has a lot of wires and stuff. I'm not going to get involved with it today. It comes with the wire hider. This is, when you put it in your car, you push it down to hide the wires. I installed stuff like this before, but I haven't done it in a while. My buddy still does it for a living, so I'm going to let him tackle this project for me. He said he would install it for me. But I'll tell you what, very nice electronic. I don't want to drop this. Yeah, here's the camera. The camera sticks out here. 5K. Really nice to have. I haven't tried it on my car yet. Oh, it comes with straps. Okay, it should fit. It should fit any car. These are all adjustable. My girl borrowed my car today, so I don't have my car to try it out. But I will be doing a video in full length on this, a review video, when I get it hooked up and see how it operates. But I hear a lot of good things. You got 5 stars on Amazon by Martalk. Martalk streaming 5K dash cam. That's a really nice one, I'll tell you that. Really, really sharp. You can peel this off, after I get it set. I don't want to touch it now. But this is nice. It says, welcome to use this driving recorder. Please record. Okay, it just says read the instructions and stuff. Please don't use sharp tool to touch the LCD. It says on the box that it streams. Now I'm really curious about that. I guess you could stream media. And I'm sure it has a function where you can't watch, TV when you're driving. When you're parked, you could probably stream YouTube on this or watch videos or whatever. I'm gonna put it back in the box, guys, and give you a nice long review when I get it installed. Okay? So stay tuned for that. This is really sharp. Thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. God bless. Stay tuned.